Hey guys, my name is Alex Jandick and my company is 131 Realty Corp. I've been wholesaling for about 3 years now, just over 3 years actually. And before we used Smarter Contact as our main and only marketing channel, we used other texting platforms and actually got kicked off of them because we weren't using them by the rules. Since we've implemented Smarter Contact, since I'm a one-man team with the VA, freedom of schedule is my biggest thing that we've achieved through Smarter Contact. The results have been incredible. We've been absolutely crushing it. I couldn't even tell you how many deals we got last year from Smarter Contact. It had to be well over 10 or 12, I forget. I chose Smarter Contact. I've known Adam, the owner of it, since the product's inception. He's a really great guy. Very honest guy, extremely hardworking guy, and very, very smart, knows how to really build a good team behind the product. I've really watched it go from just him to a team I think of over 20 members now. How many leads or deals have you been able to achieve on average per month? So in 2020 we did 1.7 deals per month with an average assignment fee of just under $25,000, specifically from Smarter Contact. If I was to recommend Smarter Contact to my best friend, what would you say? I'd say if you're looking for a very easy to use SMS platform that is TCPA compliant and does follow all the rules, Smarter Contact is going to be the number one choice. There's really nothing out there that can compete with it, that's as consistent with it, that has the support team that Smarter Contact has, that's going to give you the deliverability rates Smarter Contact can, and also Smarter Contact's got an awesome built-in skip tracing system. So for efficiency, it is the number one platform out there for SMS.